The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point riulak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
To this police station and
Ka office Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi District haga khat pratrik unailar asa pun riu kalapan ku Burom yaki Pulit ke Shillong Traffic Police ki bajupet bat penya yaki kali khnang banweng yaka jingtheng kali ha ki surok hasor Shillong ki bala shapan ku Burom ki kenthop ya arngut ki Pulit officer khat wengut ki Pulit traffic arpu arngut ki Pulit home guard kata shipongut ki shinrang bat khat arngut ki kenthei Hak jingalang Pynkup Burom la sakilang the Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi District uba Vivek CM USP Traffic Uhari Prasan MR bat kiwe. Habakran hak jingalang uba Vivek CM ulaong ba kasin jam ba USP Traffic ula Pynkup Burom yaki Pulit Traffic bat yaki Pulit Home Guard kalong ban ithu yaki kam ka baki Trei bat yo senyang uba kila Trei bat Shakri yaki Paidbah wadah pedeng ka jing shot jong kasngi usrap bat kal air kenang ban Pynsuk yaki Paidbah nong leit nong wan.
So this afternoon we come here to felicitate each and every one of you who are present here for all the hard work that you have done, for your dedication to service. So I would like to request you all to give a big hand for yourselves. I hope that today your certificate that we have felicitated you with will serve as an inspiration for others as well, for our other personnel from traffic and other home guard volunteers who are working with East Khasi Hills Traffic Police. So I wish and pray that you do your best and give your best in your duties daily. I know it's hard. I know you are the ones who are suffering the most, whether rain or shine. You have to be on the roads. We thank you and we appreciate your service. And I wish you all the very best and may God bless you.
At the outset, I would like to first thank SB Traffic actually for initiating this whole thing. We all, actually I must apologize to all the traffic officers and personnel. Sometimes in our routine duties, like everybody else, we take the traffic for granted. And we expect traffic to be there in the morning. We expect traffic personnel to be there in the day. We expect traffic personnel to be in the evening. And I'm telling you, the most talked about topic today is traffic. Everybody who gets stuck in a traffic snarl is talking about traffic. Everybody is coming up with ideas, everybody is either complaining, but the main topic everywhere, because a person has to get from point A to point B. So the first topic when you go anywhere where somebody's there's any birthday celebration or somebody has died, the first topic they will talk is about traffic. But the sad thing is everybody takes traffic personnel for granted, me included. And I would like to thank SB Traffic for initiating this. Initiating this felicitation for our heroes who actually brave the sun, the rain, the heat, the heat from the public, the heat from the drivers, the risk you put yourselves when you actually instill discipline in drivers, in regulating traffic, in making sure that vehicles move, in making sure that we communicate to the other points that yes, we have an ambulance going, we need to clear this, we have somebody who needs to get in an emergency. You are multitasking, you are thinking, you are stopping, you are moving your vehicles, you are holding a set, you are communicating. And you are braving many hazards of smoke, dust, rain. It is no joke to stand there for 8 hours. That's why we've called you to appreciate all of you all and to congratulate you all. All the good work done. Keep it up. We are behind you. We will stand firm by you in all the work you do to ensure that our roads are safe. That we ensure that vehicles move, that people get from point A to point B. If you are not there, you can imagine the kind of chaos which will be there. So your role is very, very critical. Please keep your good health. Please keep your mental health intact. And please remember to be polite. The public will always appreciate you for politeness. But at the same time, be firm when you enforce traffic rules.
Fitri Solar.
Nadunay kay kan?
Bay la tong soy nga dia pakai smil de chit ko.
Ili mem yor ain gini kon me. Pai upon kelas tenu chong tangga college stage nem yo.
Le me stage nem le tangga we kon bukan. Tito.
Jadi kasi yang ngayon sa sarang aing mo na.
Oh, this time.
Pin I one I bumps near bumps here either perpetual families to that rules. Right. For it.
How you name you boy a commando, you take the Chanbor and Clem.
Hey, pass, your first division. Oh, baby.
Congratulations,
Thank you, baby.